Good day, everyone. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. I am Nina Jane Satara. So I'll be discussing the reorder point or the ROP and the economic order quantity or EOQ. Before we start, I have here the learning outcomes. For the learning outcomes, first, compute the appropriate reorder point or ROP, considering demand during the lead time to safety stocks. Second, analyze the inventory management problems and select the EOQ and the ROP model to supply chain stock. Third, we have here analyze inventory management and select the suitable EOQ and ROP models to improve the supply chain efficiency. The last one is the interpret the result of EOQ and ROP calculations to make the informed decision about ordering schedules and stocks. What is reorder point? So reorder point is inventory level that trigger a new order to be placed, preventing a stock out by ensuring there's enough stock to meet customer demand while waiting for a new delivery. So I have your example. So if the company's expected daily usage in 70 pieces of eggs, the anticipated daily is 10 to 15 days. When will the company place the order or reorder point? So I have here the formula. So ROP, usage times lead time plus safety stock. So ROP is 7,000 pieces of egg times 10 or 15 days. So down the 750, so times 10 days is equal to 7,500. And next is 750 times 5 is equal to 3,750. So it's 7,500 plus 3,750 is equal to 11,250 eggs. And I have here the economic order quantity or the EOQ. So EOQ is the inventory management formula that calculates the optimal number of units a company should order and minimize its total cost of holding and ordering inventory. And now I have here the EOQ, and we can also compute the number of order per year or NO, total ordering cost per year or TOC, average inventory or AI, total carrying cost per year or TCC, total cost and TC. I have here the example. So number of jars of the honey requires annually 10,000. Cost of placing an order 10 pesos. Annual carrying cost per year jar of inventory is 0.8. So here I have here the formula of EOQ. So EOQ, square root of 2. So the O and N and C is O is stands for ordering cost, N is stands for number of orders, C is carrying cost, holding cost. So I have here the example. So EOQ, the formula of EOQ is square root of 2 ordering cost times number of orders divide carrying cost. So here is the multiplications. Square root of 2 times 10 times 10,000 of jars divide 0.80. So the equal is 500 jars. So EOQ equals to 500 jars. So number of orders per year or NO. The formula is NO, number of orders divide EOQ. So 10,000 jars divide 500 jars is equal to 20 orders. So we have here the number of orders is 20. Next is the total ordering cost per year or TOC. So TOC, NO or number of order per year times OC. So the NO is 20 orders times 10. So the 10 is the cost of placing an order. So the total is 200 pesos. So our TOC is 200. Next is the average inventory or AI. So for the formula is the AI, EOQ divide 2. 2 is given. So we need to divide 500 jars divide 2 is equal to 250 jars. So for the AI, we have 250 jars. So total carrying cost per year for TCC, for the formula is AI times CC. So for the TCC, 250 jars times 0.80. So the total is 200 pesos. For the TCC, we have 200 pesos. For total cost or TC, for the formula we have TC, TOC plus TCC. And for the TOC is 200 plus TCC is 200 equals 400. So for the total cost, we have 400. To understand all of this, I have here another explanation. So the ROP is 1,000 jar. EOQ is 500 jars. So the honey company is have an EOQ 500 jars. So the number of orders is 10,000. So here the number of orders. And since the number of orders per year is 20, we need to make an order 20 times in a year. So the total ordering cost per year or TOC is 200. So this one. So next is average inventory of AI is 250. So here 250 jars. Next is total carrying cost per year or TCC is 200. So here. Next is the last one is total cost or TC is 400. This one. So that is the overall explanation. Good day, everyone. My name. Basta ko chuka kay. Masimong gagawin. Dali. ROP 70 pieces of egg times 10 to 15 days plus 70.
Oh, what type of this?
Myself first, I am Nina Jane Satara. For the learning outcomes, first compute the upper rate. So here's the examples.